Today we are going to start with another betting strategy, which is using our calculator to predict at least two rainbow color. Now this strategy, the pattern we are going to use is we play only when a particular color is dominant. In the case of bet 160, we have three green that appeared. So all we have to do is to add the three colors, 3, 27 and 33, then divide it by 3. 3, 27 and 33, which is 63. Now you do 63 divided by 3. The answer you got there is what? We have 41. Now that 41 is blue. You come and stake at least 2 blue appear. And you see, because we are late, 2 blue appeared. Now let's try it again. 5, 47 and 29. And 29. The answer you got 81 divided by 3. 61 minus 100, 100 minus 61. If it is above the number that is there, you remove 100 from it and check what's the answer. We have 100 minus the answer that is there is 39. We go and look for the number that is 39. We have green. At least 2 green appeared. So now the strategy is you count the most occurring colors. Then if they appear, if like 3 green appear, you calculate the numbers that appear. Then you add it, then subtract, divide it. If it is above the total number of balls, which is 49 balls, 100 minus the answer, it is what you use in searching for the number of balls that must appear here. Now let's go again. Let's wait for a particular time, but before we are expecting a particular ball to appear at least 3, let's consider bet 155. Now in bet 155 we have three red, 1, 2, 3. So what you do is you add 10 plus 34 plus 13. Now we have 57. That 57, you divide it by the total number of times the color appear, which is divided by 3. We have 48. Your answer will be 48. Now that 48, you come into this bet 49 and check for the number that appear in 48. We have 48, we have green. Then you go and bet at least 2 green to appear. Now check. If you check very well, you see that at least 2 green appeared in this other bet ID. 2 green appeared. So now let's start this one now. At least we have 4 green appear in bet 165, which is 36 plus 18 plus 30 plus 39. We have 123. 123 divided by the total number of balls, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, divided by 4. We have 30. Now you go back and check the ball that appear in 30, ball that appear in 30 green. So we come here and say at least 2 green will appear. Because of the calculation we've made, we believe that at least 2 green will. What we did is we added all the green that appeared and the total number of times divided by the total number of times it appeared. Then check our bet number, which one appeared. And now we see we have at least 2 green appeared. That is a win go for us. We do it again by adding the 4 balls, which is 24 plus 45 plus 42 plus 39. 150. Now 150 divided by 1, 2, 3, divided by 4. We have 120. Because it's bigger than that, what you have to do is to do 100 minus 120, which is 20. The ball that is there is what? 20. Then 20. Which ball appear in 20? The ball that appear in 20 is blue. So at least 2 blue will come out in this draw. If your result is above 100, you subtract, or if it is above if it is above 49 rather, you subtract 100 from the answer. That is how we are playing. Now in this case we have 4 blue, which is 23 plus 29 plus 17 plus 14, 88, 83. 83 divided by 4, we have 20.7. Now that 20.7 is approximately 20, which is we can still go ahead and stake with our own money that at least 2 blue will appear with full confidence. So it's a calculation, it's a predictable calculation. So now we are playing that at least 2 blue will appear from our pattern we've staked. At least we have, okay, 1, 2 blue appear. So that is how it is. You can still do the same thing. We have 3 green, we have 3 green. We can say 27 plus 39 plus 18, 84. 84 divided by 3, 84 divided by 3, 84, answer 84 divided by 3, we have 28. You come back here and check for the color that appear in 28, 28, 28, 28, 28 is red. Then you come and play at least 2 red to appear. Let's watch and see. At least 2 red to appear. Now, logically, it appears that it's not possible for red to appear because we have at least 1 red appear in this rule. But from the calculation, let's see if it will happen or not. You see, it has played through. So maybe my network is worrying, that's why. So that is the strategy for this week. We hope to see for another day. Have a wonderful day, my